What are we looking at here? This looks like it could be chain link fencing or something. Oh wait, it's a shoe. And that wasn't the laces of the shoe either. That's actually the fabric of the shoe. I never knew that the fabric on this looked like that. This is a 200x microscope that attaches to your smartphone. The adjustable sliding lens design makes this compatible with almost all smartphones. All you have to do is clip it on, make sure that it's centered over your camera lens, and no matter what smartphone you're using, you now have a macro camera. There's a couple things I'm really liking about this macro attachment. For starters, the 200x zoom is creating some really impressive results. Now, in order to get high quality photos with a macro lens like this, you're gonna need a lot of light, and this company has really thought things through. They've actually put a tiny ring light around the lens here. The light is powered by a built-in rechargeable battery. There's an on and off button here on the front, and then on the side there's a USB-C port you can plug in to recharge the battery. I like that when you pick this up, you don't have to worry about getting fingerprints on the lens or scratching the lens because the lens is actually recessed back into the case. They've also made this so it's really easy to get shots that are perfectly in focus. This has a set focus distance, and that set focus distance is flush with the front surface. All you have to do is put this directly on the object that you're taking a picture of, and that is where it's perfectly in focus.